In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a disaster recovery loan. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, so I'm on the SBA.gov website, so that's a Small Business Administration website, and I'm looking at the page that's talking about disaster loan applications. So there's a notice and says now accepting new applications for COVID-19 economic injury disaster loans and advance. Eligible small businesses and agricultural businesses may apply for the loan advance here. So you can click this link if you want to get the loan advance. So it's going to take you through this application, and you can fill out your business information and see if you're eligible by answering these questions. So it gives you some information about how they started in April 15th, and now they are rolling out again with new EIDL, so economic injury disaster loans for businesses after June 15th, and it's looking for qualified small businesses. There was additional funding appropriated by Congress in response to the pandemic, so now more businesses have the opportunity to fund themselves in tough times. There's also a big button here where you can apply, and you can apply for home loans or sole proprietor loans by calling this phone number, where you have to get a Federal Emergency Management Agency ID number. So you can click there if you need to apply. There's mailing instructions, and there's a list of all the declared disasters. So if you're in need of a loan right now for your business and it's struggling, or it's on its last limbs because of COVID-19 and people can't get to your business, or you just can't afford the expenses anymore, go to SBA.gov, and I'm going to put the link down in my description where you can go and grab this link for disaster loan applications, so you can apply for a loan, and then you don't have to worry about that anymore. You can at least give yourself a chance to qualify and get a loan. And if you do get a loan, it could be everything you ever needed. There's also other funding programs, and you can go on this website, and it's super helpful. If you want me to make more videos about the SBA and their website and how to navigate it to get the right resources for your business, then say yes in the comments below, and I'd absolutely love to do that.
Along with getting a loan for your business, there's so much that goes into running a business. You have to do online advertising, you have to run your campaigns and optimize them, you have to create landing pages that actually convert. You have to do email marketing, design your sales funnel, lead to offers, and then figure out how you can capitalize on all that. Plus, you have to create content so you can organically rank and people can find you. There's so much to do, especially if you're running your business as a one-man army or a one-woman army. I was at a point where I wanted to quit starting my online business because I couldn't handle all the email marketing. I had no idea what I was doing with keyword research and creating content, and I felt so lost. It felt like there wasn't enough hours in the day, and I just wanted to give up. I was gonna go back to my terrible job and just work 9 to 5 for the rest of my life. But I kept pushing, and I pushed through, and I started generating sales. But what got me there was learning the right principles and the right strategies, reading a ton, and getting the right mentorship. When I started, I wish I had an easy step-by-step guide that could help me start generating sales in no time with my business. What if I told you that I had a step-by-step guide on how to start an online business and succeed fast, where you can start generating sales in no time? Well, I do, and it's just for you, and it's free. If you go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom, or you click the link at the top of my description, you can grab your free guide so you can stop worrying about starting your online business and you can start generating sales. With my guide, you're gonna learn how you can tap into affiliate networks, how to pick the right products, how to do paid traffic and keyword research, how to pick a web host and set up your funnel, and much more. So if you want to get started with your online business and start generating sales in no time so you can live a passive income lifestyle, and if you want to start owning your time and your future, then go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom. Click the link at the top of this description or in the comments below. You can start your online business today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, jump on that subscribe button, and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me. There's a video right after this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.